So, hi, I'm now filming Productive Day in My Life video. If you haven't seen it yet, it's in the eye, so definitely check that out if you want to see a different angle and a little behind the scenes of me filming. And now let's move on to the video. Guys, it's me, Ghosty. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you will join our little family that is over 300 people. You are amazing. I love you guys and I really appreciate your support and all the nice comments that you leave. In today's video I'm going to be starting my new spring series, and I already did this type of video on my channel a little bit before Christmas and it did really well. You guys seemed to like it. So today I'm coming to you guys with the spring bucket list video, because I've noticed that there are like summer bucket lists, these are like the most popular. There are some fall bucket lists and like some winter bucket lists, but there aren't actually like any spring bucket lists. And basically I just wanted to make a little list of some fun things to do in the spring. And also spring is always considered as a season of like organizing, decluttering, getting your life together, starting some new stuff, and this type of things to do are also included on my bucket list. So if you end up enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's just get started. So number one is deep clean my room, and I really want to vacuum and make sure that my room is like super clean, because my room is always tidy but it's not always clean. Just I want to have it both tidy and clean, because as I said in my New Year's goals video, I want my room to be like always prepared if I would like to like spontaneously invite some people or something like that. Number two is get some flowers to my room, because I think that like flowers are really cute and like some sort of flowers would fit the aesthetic of my room. My room is aesthetic, and I think that having flowers in your room give it like fresh vibes and like a new energy or something like that. Buy some new spring clothes. After winter I just want to get myself like some new clothes, like new t-shirts or something like that, and I don't know, maybe some cute skirts. And also when I get myself some new clothes, I will make a haul. Comment down below if you want me to make a haul. Declutter my closet, because actually I want to make get rid of stuff that I don't wear anymore, or I wore it so many times that it doesn't look good anymore, or I just want to make space in my closet for the new clothes that I want to buy. Declutter my devices, and basically I have like a lot of old photos on my both computer and my phone, and I just want to get rid of some stuff that I don't need anymore, to go to coffee shop by myself and read. And I actually have never done that, but I just see that as like a really cute thing to do, and just it's like take myself on a date, and I think it's such a cute form of self-care. Another thing I really want to do, and I've been planning that with my friends for quite a long time, and it is a spring photo shoot, but like a professional one with like a nice quality camera. One of my friends actually have a really good quality camera. Like we have like so many ideas. I mean, if we would actually do that, Number 9 is make a lemonade. Number 10 is get my nails done, and I think that like getting your nails done is also kind of like a fresh spring thing to do, so I would love to do that. Do the picnic, it's also kind of like May thing rather than March thing or April thing, because April in Poland is still kind of like, it's not warm but it's not cold, it's kind of like in between. And I would like to make a picnic because it's a really cute and romantic thing to do, like even if you're doing that with friends, with your friends. Make a glow up series, and I have actually everything planned for my glow up series, and I'm going to be doing that after I finish my spring series. By the way, if you have any spring video requests, definitely comment them down below, because as I said before, like your video ideas are like really helpful, because this way I know what type of videos you guys like to watch and what type of videos I should do more. So as I said, I already planned everything. That includes my glow up series. It's going to be like 3 episodes, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Another thing to do is dye eggs for Easter. Another thing that I want to do this spring is to try a new type of workouts. Maybe I will like, you know, sign up for some sort of class, I don't know, but I have some sort of workouts that I always do. But spring, new beginning, new year, we're trying new things, and I want to try new workouts. Read self-help books. I recently read You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. I'm pretty sure I talked about this in my healthy habits video. It's also in the eye, and I really like that book, and now I'm really into like self-help books and like coaching books, and I want to read more of this type of books, and I want to read like the most popular ones from this genre. Is do a one-day trip. So another thing that I would like to do this spring is try a new recipe, decorate my room, because it will be decluttered, it will be clean, as I talked about it in previous points. And I would actually like to make a room transformation video, and then I could probably make a room tour, because I see, guys, that you are asking me for a room tour for quite a long time, and I really want to make it, but before I just want to finish everything in my room, because it's not finished yet. Prepare for summer, which sounds kind of stupid, like when you think of like things to do in spring. Prepare for summer, it sounds kind of weird, but I feel like, you know, spring is kind of like a bridge between winter and summer. So it's like the part when you get ready and you kind of like transition from the one season to another. So that would be it for my spring bucket list video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and to don't miss any of videos that I mentioned here. I'm actually, like, as I said, I'm super excited for all these videos. I have so many ideas for videos that you can only film when it's warm and when it's sunny. So yes, definitely stay tuned for that. I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Right now, you know, that nothing heals me, and I'm obsessed with you.